Here we go. We're going to be doing an install in a brand new Land Rover Defender. We're going to be installing an UPPAbaby Mesa car seat in the new Defender from Land Rover. Very important to point out, the anchor points in the new Defender is underneath this leather cover. You can see the isofix points on both sides. Kind of just lift this flap and there they are, fully exposed, the two anchor points that you would use to connect the base. UPPAbaby Mesa base releases up on top by pressing this button. It releases your anchor. Your anchor connects down into the isofix point down below. I'll take care of that real quick and I'll be right back. Once your anchor point is connected, the ratcheting system will work perfectly, but we're still in the red. So we have to push the base down until it goes green. Once it goes green, it limits all movement left and right, and it's perfectly set. You do have a level point on the side that shows you as long as you're within the green and you don't see any red, the seat is perfect. I'll bring in the infant seat now. Just kind of bring it into the seat and lock it into place. UPPAbaby Mesa in a brand new Land Rover Defender.